We play way too much video games. Oh.
I wonder, out of all the dorms, all the upperclassmen dorms, do we really play the most video games?
Taylor does. I think I'd be willing to make a sample test to prove that.
Well, we could take random samples of the students in Batch, Taylor, and Wareham, and just ask students how much time they spend playing video games every day.
Yeah.
Each day.
Then we could maybe do 2 sample t-tests between each of the dorms and Taylor to see if Taylor really does play the most video games each day on average.
Yeah. But like, wait, what about the girls?
Yeah, I guess girls are, could play video games as much as any guy could, technically.
Alright, let's be serious here. You girls don't play nearly as much video games as we do. So you know what, we're just gonna take all the girls, lump them into one group and sample that. Make it easy.
That makes sense, yeah. So
We'll
we're going to take a random sample of girls and relate it back to Taylor and see if Taylor plays more video games than girls. Which they probably do.
Yeah.
Done.
So our null hypothesis will be upperclassmen students in every dorm, Badge, Taylor, and Wareham, and the girls spend the same amount of time playing console video games. This will include phone, computer, PlayStation, Xbox, GameCube, what have you.
Yeah.
And then our alternate will be Taylor residents, where the best dorm, of course, spend the most time playing video games per day than any other group.
So, that makes sense. I think because of the smaller population and in turn smaller sample size that we're going to have in the sampling process, we're probably going to need to set our alpha at 0.1 instead of the normal 0.05 so that we can probably, account for the variability and get a more accurate, more telling conclusion for after we do our tests.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Graham, how many hours a day do you spend playing video games on average?
Probably about half an hour.
Half an hour? Just so you know, phone games count.
Okay.
All games.
Including
all electronic games. Pretty much.
all electronic games.
Pretty much.
Probably 45 minutes.
45 minutes a day? Alright. That's good. Cool.
Why is this good?
Which dorm do you think plays the most video games?
Batch is up there.
Probably Batch?
Batch and Taylor.
Okay. Alright. Thank you.
Thatcher, how many hours on average you spend playing video games a day?
Like 2,
2,
3,
3.
2.5.
Alright.
As he is playing video
right
games.
now?
Oh, this is NHL 12.
NHL.
So, guys, what game are you guys playing?
Super Smash Bros. Brawl.
Super Smash Bros. Brawl? Okay.
That's all we play. Mike Lang the troll.
So, Mike, on average, how many hours a day do you play video games like this?
Half an hour.
Half an hour? KJ, how about you?
What? Are you serious? No, it's random.
KJ, on average, how many hours a day do you play video games?
On average?
Yeah.
Pop that.
Probably about an hour and a half.
And he's out of the game.
Happy?
Alright guys, so on average, daily, how many hours of video games do you think you guys play? Alright, there you have it. Alright man, so daily, how many hours of video games do you play?
Say like 45 minutes.
How many hours a day do you spend playing video games?
None.
Including phone games?
One.
One. Alright, thank you. Cassidy, randomly selected. How many hours a day do you spend playing video games? That includes phone games. 0, none.
None.
Hours?
Yeah,
0.
minutes. Just nothing. You don't play
You
anything.
need to just
No
use
time.
something.
No, you can say 0.
Wait, are you filming me
Yes,
right
I am.
now? Maybe 10. No, like on an average day?
On an average day.
0. No.
All right. All right. Here's the question.
Wait, is that
How
one
many
thing?
hours a day do you spend playing video games? That includes phone games, any type of gaming electronically.
Seriously?
Yes, seriously.
0.
0. Wow, that is. All right. Thank you.
In conclusion, Taylor does not in fact play more video games daily on average than either Batch or Wareham. Due to the p-value of 0.29, we fail to reject the null that Taylor, Batch, and Wareham play the same amount of video games. However, for girls, the p-value of 0.061 is significantly less than our alpha of 0.1, so we reject the null.